Welcome back. The time is now 9:46. There are lots of important tools to have handy in case of natural disasters like the recent tornado or other emergency situations. Having Stewart, a junior at Lusher, and Nia Castille with STEM NOLA join us this morning. And what highly useful tool are we making today, ladies?
Did you know you can make a flashlight with 6 simple household tools?
I did not. What tools can we use around our house to make a flashlight? Let's break down that making process, if you will.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a flashlight out of popsicles. What you need is some double-sided tape, a popsicle stick, preferably your favorite color, a binder clip, a coin battery. The positive side is the smooth side, and the negative side is the one with the rough edges. You want an LED light. The longer leg is the positive leg, and the shorter leg is the negative leg. And you want 2 copper wires. So the first step you want to do is take your popsicle stick and you take your LED light and you make sure both the legs are fully on the popsicle stick, the positive and the negative. Once you do that, you take your copper wire and cover both the legs completely and tape it. So it should look like this. Then you want to take your binder clip and attach it to the end so it makes a closed circuit. This is what it will look like. Then you want to take your battery. The positive part of the battery should be connected to the positive leg, and or the negative side of the battery should be connected to the negative leg. So what you want to do is take this part of the binder clip and flip it up, and then do this part of the binder clip and flip it up, and your battery will light.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes. Super easy. Wow.
It's very simple, and actually this is referred to as a simple circuit. And a simple circuit requires 4 main parts. So you need your device, which is the battery, not battery, the light. Yes, you need your conductor, which is the wires, and the wires allow the energy to run through it. You need your power source, which is the battery, and you need a switch, which is the binder. So we take our switch and we put it up, and our little flashlight lights up. So these are some simple things you may or may not have around the house, but it's very easy to create a little simple circuit.
And Nia, I know that's such a cool experiment there, and I love your explanation. Y'all did a great job breaking it down, making it seem really easy to put this together. But I know with STEM NOLA, y'all do all kind of really fun activities like this with young kids and even teenagers here in the city. Are there any events coming up or anything that people need to know about where they can learn other cool experiments like this?
Yes, actually, so next month we do have a live event, a STEM NOLA event. You can go to our website and you can register. We'll be making structures, so our 312 students will make Ferris wheels, and our K2 students will make house structures.
And where can they go for more? I'm sorry, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we also have summer camp registrations if you go on the website. So www.stemnola.com, you can register for all of our
events and summer camp. That's a really good one. We got to remember summer camps. It is already the end of March.
Coming.
Yes, we don't want parents waiting any longer. Well, we appreciate both of you this morning. Such a cool experiment, and I love how you guys broke it down and made it sound so just comprehensive to make at home. We really appreciate your time this morning, ladies. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.